That's so quiet.
Hell no! Welcome back, everybody. Today, I am not editing that out. That's how it's gonna start. Anyways, so my awesome 15-year-old friend Armani, we're gonna do a cat delete together.
Yeah.
He owns a what do they call it?
Boat shop?
No. It was the Charger. What is it?
RT Shaker.
RT Shaker, and then his brother owns one.
He owns a V6.
He owns a V6.
Oh no.
He owns a G37. You own a JDM, ain't that right, Ahmed? No, I don't. Dude, he's a 2JZ.
2JZ. Actually, joke's on you. Eric's is K-swapped, bro.
K-swap? Bruh. This is probably not going to be in the video.
K20 with a big turbo.
Anyways, guys, so I ordered a cold air intake, which is going to come soon. And right now we're going to do a cat delete. As soon as we cut the cat delete, we're going to go ahead and leave it open headers, and we're going to see how it sounds. Okay, guys, everybody's ready with their phones. We got the cat right here with the sensor and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and give one of the guys the phones. So hopefully they can take a really good video. We're going to go ahead and start this up.
If there's 93.
Dude, it literally, dude, the exhaust is like this long, bro.
Let's go.
Off the heads.
Really? Oh, if it's not spitting flames under there, I'm going to be disappointed. The whole car is going to catch fire.
Yeah. So cancer.
Can we address how this is an old store and it's just idling?
Okay, guys, so dude, look at this quality.
It's so, what phone is this? Is it Samsung?
It's the Samsung S10 Plus. Okay, guys, so we're going to AutoZone right now. We were able to get the pipe out. As you guys can see, we are shooting flames thanks to this OG right here, bro. OG, man. So we're gonna get a pipe real quick. Hopefully we can get it clamped down, no problem. We have leaks. Well, shit, I'll get it fixed later. If we don't, awesome. So next thing to do with that is when the cold air intake comes in, go ahead and attach it. Start doing 89 higher octane, and then octane booster, and then NOS, and then turbo kit. Yeah. Okay, guys, so we got the pipe, and we're 5 people in a Challenger.
Stop filming my damn face, bro. So fucking. Why not, bro?
You look. I think. You look sexy, bro.
Stop.
Sexy.
I hate fucking shades, bro. I look like a fucking.
Okay, so we got the pipe. We're on our way back. Hopefully, we should be done today, and then we're gonna terrorize the streets with the Crapsmobile.
Dude, 700.
Okay, guys, and there you go. So we got 2 of the ghettoest crap ever, and then we have the side exhaust. And as Armani said, are you sure there's another cat in there?
Yeah, dude, right there.
So there's another cat right here?
Dude, that's a cat, right? Oh, wait, no, it's not. Never mind. I take that.
Told you!
It looked like it from the
I
bottom.
told you!
He said he was gonna boost his octane using 87.
Hell yeah! You bet your ass I'm gonna do this.
All right, let's do this.
Hey, bro, just bounce off, bro.
Alright, guys, maiden voyage.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna test drive it. We'll take it out for a quick ride.
think it needs a resonant.
Yeah.
It's like, it's just obnoxious. It doesn't sound good. It sounds like a straight pipe almost.
I'm probably gonna have to add a resonator or something to it.
Shit, dude, go hillbilly and put a glass pack, dude.
Because now I'm kind of like, dude, I fucked up because this is way too much. Like, this is seriously way too much.
I ain't for it. Dude, that feels like we're in a Civic. Holy shit, dude.
Dude, this is way too much.
Oh my
Bro,
god.
I can't believe a cat, just a cat. Hold on.
Hey, drop one more, drop one more. Holy shit, dude, it's so loud.
I regret it.
Dude, it's popping.
I honestly regret this. I regret the shit out of this, bro.
Dude, it's so loud.
It's way too loud, bro.
Dude, it's
This
literally
is-
like a Civic.
Dude, this is not good.